Well, you guys are probably wondering who this is. This is John Dalton by Megan Bobard and Rawan Abdulbari. Early life. He was born on the 6th of September 1766 in Eaglesfield. He was born into a Quaker family, which is a household full of Christians who worship God on a John Dalton and his brother were born with natural blindness. They cannot see the colors green or red. He went to a Quaker school and started teaching there at the age of 12 years old. He then went to a Quaker boarding school in Kendall. 4 years later, he became the principal of the school. He stayed there until 1790. Then he soon became a math and philosophy tutor at the New College of Manchester. He started to work hands-on experiences with colorblind. Dalton's interest in atmospheric pressures led him eventually closer to the examination of Dalton's law primarily applies to the ideal gases than gases itself, due to the elasticity and low particle volume of molecules and which led to discovery of total pressure from a mixed gas added to some of the particles' pressure that each individual gas while it was occupying the same space. There is a mechanical system composed of small individual particles which use the pressure to apply each gas individually.
He wasn't one of those chemists that really need help, but chemist Humphrey Davy helped him criticize and which was practical about his law. Dalton's law was stored as a simple experiment that included a glass bottle and a large bowl of water. Pressure was pushed out by hydrogen, which is identified by the charting list of water vapors, which is different, and scuba divers used it to measure pressure levels in the ocean. When a bottle is submerged under the water and the water contains displaced, it is not empty. It is full with invisible hydrogen gas. The Greek philosopher Democritus of Epidaurus, most abstract theory of matter which had fallen out of fashion centuries ago, but borrowed the term atoms and atoms. The atomic is gas, which led to Dalton's formally assert form of matter of small individual parts. He showed his belief of atoms, different elements could be universally distinguished based on their variety of atomic weights. He soon became the first scientist to explain the behavior of atoms in terms of measurement and weight. He also uncovered the facts that atoms cannot be created or destroyed. John Dalton was a very productive person and will always be remembered for what he did in science. He had received many honors, including Royal Medal, and served as president of Manchester Literary and Philosophical Society from 1817 to his death. The atomic theory may have been the biggest achievement, but not his only one. He was the first to weigh atomic weights, did pioneer work in hydrology, and published the first paper of color blindness. This is the atomic theory and how it works for him.